Hey guys, one of one of the YouTube watchers asked how to replace an output tray on a HP Laserjet P1005 series. There's similar printers to it. I have an HP Laserjet 1020 that's similar to that one in a way. There's also P1109, I believe, that are similar. A lot of kind of these Laserjet that have the same build, they're going to have about the same type of output tray and a paper loading tray. So I removed paper, and I'll show you how to replace both. This output tray, it has a slot right here that you can use. So you're going to push to one side. In my case, I'm pushing it to the left, and I'm pressing in the middle over here, like so. I'll press right here, and that, here, I'll open this too so it's not in the way, and that releases one side. Be very careful because these break off easy. And then we have that one out. Putting it back in, same thing. You're going to put it into either side, push it in the middle, and you have it back in. For the paper loading tray, same concept. You're going to push to one side, and you're going to pull it out with one side and then put it back in. Same, putting it back like so. Going to push it in the middle. Make sure you don't push too hard, just enough so you can get it bent, and then put it in the correct slot. Be very careful because these tabs on the sides, they break easy. So thank you. I believe Zara is your first name that asked for the P1005. Thank you for watching, and everybody else who is watching our channel and is getting help from us. You're making us happy, and hopefully we are too. So subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.